Hello, today I'll be making lentil soup. It's going to be green lentil, and then I'm going to add carrots, red onion, celery sticks, fennel, and then this is for the stems from the parsley, which we're going to be boiling in the stew. And then this is chicken broth that I made previously, and these are all the spices. The black pepper, garlic, salt, red pepper crushed, and that's it. Stay tuned. So now we're gonna saute every veggie. Put in the garlic first, and then we're gonna add the onions. So I'm sauteing everything with coconut oil, and now I'm adding the celery stick. Everything is like chopped with the food processor. And now we're going to be adding the fennel. Now we're adding the chopped carrots. Now we're adding the lentil, which was previously soaked in the water. We're adding a little bit of tomato sauce, like homemade tomato sauce. I'm going to add pepper, black pepper, salt, tablespoon of salt, parsley, oregano, bay leaf, and these are parsley stems. Adding the ginger, and now we're adding the chicken broth. Which I made previously. There you go. And we're gonna boil it in the pressure cooker for 20 minutes. Hello, this is my green lentil and veggies stew that I made today for lunch, and it's perfect for cold weather and super healthy, and I hope you guys give it a try. Stay tuned.